Hello guys and welcome to this video about geometric sequences. We have in here a sequence, right? And 1 4 16 64 256 1024. So as you can notice here, moving from one term to the other, we're multiplying 4 on it. Okay, the same thing can be done, yeah, could be done, backward here, divided by 4. And this is giving us a common ratio. And with this general formula, means that if you want to have the common ratio in between these terms, we have to divide the third, for example, the last term from the previous one. Okay, and this we got here. And as an example, we got here the common ratio. We're taking 16 divided by 4, it gives us 4. What is the common ratio? Okay, so um, uh, like we were doing in an arithmetic sequence, we can also have an nth number in a geometric sequence. And its formula is an equals to a1 times r to the power of n divided by r. And we know that r, we can transform this here by writing a1 times r to the power n times r to the power minus 1. And as these got the same basis, we can just add the power, and it gives us a1 times r to the power n minus 1. And each general formula is an equals to a times r to the power n minus 1. Okay, as an example, we want to find the nth number, which number at the fifth position of our sequence here. This is right here. We want to see if this number is actually the 26 we have here. Okay, let us verify it. So we're gonna have, according to this formula, 1, that's the first term, times the common ratio 4, we had it already, to the power of 5 minus 1, and it gives us 1 times 4 to the power 4, which is equal to 256. This is exactly that number that we got over there. Okay, so everything is okay. And we can also take an example like what we did with the arithmetic sequence, saying that we got an example already. So we're going on, moving on, talking about the sum of the n first number in an arithmetic, in an geometric sequence. Okay, and its formula is a1 times r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, and could also be written like this: a1 times 1 minus r to the power of n divided by 1 minus r. And the general formula is Sn equals to a times 1 minus r to the power 1 divided by 1 minus r. Okay, and we can take an example, using our sequences from the beginning to write, for example, the sum of the first, of the n first term. So until here, this sum here, if you plug in the calculator, you might be having the same result as what we got here, because we use the formula, the appropriate formula for that. So the formula is telling us to use a1, the first term, times 1 minus the common ratio to the power 5 divided by 1 minus the common ratio. This will give us 1 minus 1024 divided by 1 minus 4. And you can see here the minus cancel out, remain 1 minus 3 give us 1023, and here divided by 2 is equal to 341, and that's the result. Okay guys, thank you for watching. In the next video we will do more exercises about geometric sequences, and thank you again. Stay safe. Bye bye.